Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Today's video is about the weld tool, but it's the trim part of the weld tool, which I very seldom ever use. But we're going to make a shape like this and just kind of explain, or I'm going to try to explain what I'm doing. So I'm going to make this leaf type shape or flower type shape. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, fill it in, move it out of the way and delete all this. Take this, I'm going to hit P, which doesn't really matter in this case. I'm going to left click, right click, which took away this fill and added the outline. I'm going to make it 36 points. I'm going to go to effects and convert the outline to an object. And I'm going to left click, right click. Now I can't really rotate to the center of the page, but I can rotate it just a little bit south of the center of this. So we're going to take this and Control D and then get the rotation and just kind of go like right to that node and maybe even hold down the control button. Yeah, the control button will keep it perpendicular. I don't want it quite that far. And let's just move it up a little bit. All right, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to Control D and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees and see how it's, well, not so much as overlapping, but just a little bit. It's really pretty good. But if you wanted to take out this center of this, first of all, we could weld this and it's got a star, but let's say we don't want that star. Well, there's I never even thought about this. There's two things we could do. We can take the first thing and just go object, or break the curve apart, which gives us that star free. And we grab that star and we can delete it. And then you can put anything you want in there to it. But a lot of times that isn't going to happen. So the other thing you could do is take I made the star pretty big, but take an ellipse and hit P, and then select both items, and the weld tool will show up, and go right here to trim, which I very seldom ever use, and look what it did. Now you can take that red star out of the way, and it's not really there. It trimmed and sealed up that pattern. It's a really cool effect. I don't use it that much, but you get a different look. See, here I went a little bit shorter, and you could still, let's go back to no fill and outline. You could still add this circle and actually, let's just do that. Let's make that circle 36 points, go up to object, convert the outline to an object, left click, right click, and now we should be able to weld that, and look at that. You get a total different look. This is probably going to be more common for a flower type deal, and it's all one piece. And I can already see that becoming a pattern of some sort. But anyway, that's about the weld tool and the trim part of the weld tool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.